The International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination, IDERD, sometimes known as Harmony Day in Australia, commemorates the day in 1960 when police in South Africa opened fire at a peaceful demonstration against apartheid, killing 69 people and wounding 180 more. In 1979, the United Nations General Assembly determined that a week of solidarity with people struggling against racism and racial discrimination, beginning on March 21, would be held annually to encourage people everywhere to unite against racism, injustice, and drive global change. Since then, many countries have abolished racist laws and practices, but structural and systemic racism, xenophobia, discrimination, and intolerance still exist today. So where does Harmony Day come from? In 1999, the Australian government created Harmony Day as a multicultural celebration under the banner "Everyone Belongs." While the message of harmony is a positive one, the day, which coincides with IDERD, has been criticised for not acknowledging its roots and sweeping racism under the rug. While many believe Australia to be a fundamentally harmonious society, we must also recognise the work that needs to be done to eliminate racism here and around the world. IDERD is a time to meaningfully acknowledge the impact of racism, past and present, and encourage people to continue to challenge racist policies, practices, culture, and ideas. Here at UNSW, we are committed to preventing and responding to racism in all its forms, creating safe working and learning environments that support our diverse community through inclusive principles and practice. Find out more about combating racism through inclusive practice by visiting edi.unsw.edu.au/inclusion.